Problem solved. All ahead, slow.
Where are you, really big man?
Oh, hey there. Sorry, little goat. I was calling for... What was that? Scram! Skedaddle! Strange goat. We'll have 100 reindeer to pull up!
Now, my solo.
Phew, it was only a nightmare.
I'll do anything. I'll do your taxes, I'll shave your back, I'll prostitute myself for money. Just please, not another one!
Money is such...
Come on. Do what I do when I have problems.
Well, all right, you little pin man. Come on up here. All right, now you gotta be careful when you're working with the waffle machine, all right now? Because it's really hot, almost 9 million degrees. That's it, just like...
Oh dear, please don't cry, Goofy baby.
Now, let us begin by covering a few...
I'll not shut up. You'll never shut me up.
Oh yeah, Mr.
This whole place is gonna blow in a couple of minutes!
And you, my friend, are responsible for delaying my rendezvous with Star Command.
Think you can manage?
A 1 and a 2 and a 3.